little chilly.
It is a little chilly. However, we're waiting at the Lock 17 wall. I forget what it's technically called. They're closed for the season, but it is a cool place to stay, and the gentleman in the boat up there knows them, and they said we could stay here for free. So we had electric and water and everything, but because they're closed, we didn't have to pay. I think it's normally $1 a foot. But we're just waiting for the lock operator to say, come on up. Then we're untying and heading through the biggest lock on the Erie Canal. 40 feet, and it's the only one that's a guillotine style lock. So I'm sure Ben has all his cameras prepared. Little Falls Harbor and Rotary Park. They have a nice facilities inside there when you come when they're open. We're heading towards the lock, and of course, the rain is right on time for locking. So, past the ladder is our go-to. I want the third one. The weird, not the weird looking, out of order. It's two that match. It's all about symmetry. Head back. I count. 1.
Oh yeah.
Lock 17. It's raining, so I'm standing the cover. But, fun fact about Lock 17 in Little Falls, New York, is this is one of only 2 locks that lift the gate above boaters. The other one is Ottawa, Canada. Ottawa River, Canada. I'll check that. But, yep, one of 2 that lift the gate above the boaters.
This is what my wife made for me. Coffee and a breakfast sandwich at the helm after a nice rainy 41-foot lock, which we're still kind of in the rain. But this will hit the spot. We got another half hour till next time.
Lock 16. Honey, 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 honey.
You need to go on the swim platform? Oh, I see.
Lock 15. Check. And it finally stopped raining. And I see maybe a little evidence of sun, which will be nice. Literally 3 spiders in a short elevation of 8 feet. Ugh. Sorry for all those nature lovers out there. And all the good that spiders do. They can do it behind my back. The spiders now have traumatized me. We hit a log. There he is. He popped up. Lock number 14. You are now my enemy.
Need some numbers? Got it.
Lock 13. Done.
This is all you got in the way.
Lock 12. Complete. There's one that looks beat up. Like I don't want. done. I don't know where the guy went. So, fun fact about New Amsterdam is that this was once home to the Mohawk carpet mills, but read that competition destroyed it, and then a fire totally killed the mill buildings. I'm not sure what side. I think I was on the right side to begin with. So when you install Mohawk carpeting in your home, it started here. Wonder who used to live in New Amsterdam? Actor Kirk Douglas. This is what I remember coming through in the spring. It was full, jet skiers galore. It looked like a really, really, really fun place. Different when you come through in the fall though. Lock 10, done. Lock 9, done. Warning, there is a strong current. Lock number 8 is done. Our last one for the day. Mohawk Marina, here we come. We've stayed here several times, and I think every time we come in, we do hit a log. It just seems to all congregate at the entrance to this marina. Built up since the last time I was here. The wind picks up. Can you hear me? It is a very narrow entrance, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go down just in case you need me. Just 8. This is where all the debris likes to congregate. We're the only ones here, folks. Little Falls to Schenectady or Mohawk Marina, whatever you want to call that little trek. Got to use my sticker somewhere. I feel like this whole building over here was not here last time I was here.
It was not.
Well, that's why I feel that way.
I mean, it was started, but it wasn't done.
Okay. And this is what you're saying is a skating
I
rink?
guess I was wrong. So it's like a huge sports park.
Very cool, though.
But this must be a hotel.
This right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Because then across the way is apartments, correct?
Correct. Over here, the apartments.
Off to
Okay,
dinner
sorry.
at Shaker and Vine.
Yeah, I think that's what
I
you
think it
said.
So it's kind of a neat area, all built up. Casino walking distance down there. There's a apartments, been 2 or 3 restaurants over there. We've gone to one before, like a brewery, which was pretty good. But this place, I think, is going to be awesome. All right, so we'll check her out.
I gotta grab my phone. Being the only boat here.
That's crazy.
This is a cool place. I would like to. I mean, we want to be in Erie, Pennsylvania, in the summertime because our summers seem like they're 2 days.
Yeah.
But this is a cool place to be, I'm sure, because
yeah.
this is like a little amphitheater here.
Yep, they have concerts,
Yeah.
yoga in the morning.
So it's really, yeah, this is so cool.
power for the speakers and stuff.
Yep.
There she is.
Yep.
Going to the Shaker and Vine. This place is cool.
We got our sesame crusted tuna on a bed of seaweed salad drizzled with deep roasted sesame dressing, citrus, ginger, and thyme cracker crisps. Mmm. And what'd you choose?
Papone Merlot.
What is it called?
Papone Merlot.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. So these are both the same?
Yes, those are both the
Still
Korean
don't cut
barbecue. That's fine. You do you. Notice the hat. Shout out to the best people in the world, Jamie, Rebecca, and Ella Dubin, because we love Asian things. So, got the turkey pesto with a side salad. And Benji, what'd you get?
There was some sort of apple brie flatbread, which is totally out of character, but I'm gonna try it.
Okay, probably had a better
You know
description
what?
than that.
I was
Yeah.
gonna add chicken to it and I forgot.
Do you want some of my turkey?
No, that's good.
All right. Well, here we go. There's your wine on tap that you got.
Watch out.
I'm getting the same because that was delicioso.
What are you getting?
It's on the other side. Go ahead and get yours first. Did you get the?
I'm gonna get my favorite neighbor.
Oh, it's Cabernet Sauvignon. Research it hard. Sometimes you gotta push it twice. You gotta push it. Push it real.
Push it. You gotta push it. Push it real good.
You gotta love Zach.
All right.
Alright, on the way down here. There I am.
Oh, you did like that one, huh?
I really did like it.
All right.
All right. So push the
Which one?
alt third.
This is cool.
Oh my gosh.
what's going
I think
on?
I killed the bottle.
Killed it.
Yep. Well, that's all she wrote, my friends.
Close rope.
Hopefully we got our whole money's worth.